Awning Global, and now we are going to see the awesome glamping domes. Come in. Okay, you can see this beautiful interior of the glamping dome. Now I can see the fabric they have used here is so awesome, and a separate window. You can see the finishing of the dome. They have used like the curtains. You can see it is not a normal curtain that we have used in our homes. It is so different. So let's have a look here. And here you can see the AC lamp. The wooden they have used is the top quality one. Now we are heading towards the washroom. Let's see it. Come. Oh my god. Have you ever seen this washroom, like these type of washroom in the glamping dome? Okay, the utensils they have used is so cool. Let's see the bathroom area. You can see here they have a separate area for the bathroom and the washroom. So they have separated with this wall, so it's totally cool. So I really liked it. So I really want you all to at least have one experience in this glamping dome, because I have experienced last night from around 24 hours and I really loved it. So let's fun.